Today's recipe, white bean chili, is not an original one. This is by Campbell, also known as the Plant Pure Chef. It has definitely made its rounds in social media and was recently published on the T. Colin Campbell Center for Nutrition Studies website, so I had to make it. To make the white bean chili, this is what we're going to need. We have some white beans that have been rinsed and drained. They are separated because we're going to do something separate for each of those. And I've also separated the vegetable broth. We also have hominy. This is something I've never cooked with before, so I'm really excited about trying this. And then green chilies. We also have onions, red bell pepper, cilantro, fresh jalapeno, lime juice, celery, and garlic. And finally, we have our seasonings. We have cumin, ground coriander, chili powder, sea salt, and nutritional yeast. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is blend half of the beans with half of the vegetable broth. Okay, I've added them in my little NutriBullet. And that's all that's needed. All right, to get started, according to Kim's recipe, I'm going to put half a cup of the broth along with the celery, onions, bell pepper, and garlic. I'm going to cook that on a medium fire. And this process is going to take about 10 minutes. She also added the jalapenos in this step, so I'm going to add those now. Stir them around. We got about 8 more minutes to let this saute. It's been going for about 5 minutes. Look at those beautiful colors. The onions are just starting to get translucent. So we're going to do this for about another, maybe 5 more minutes. All right, it's been going for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add that bean mixture. Stir that around a little bit. And then we're going to add all the rest of the ingredients except the cilantro. That's going to go in right at the end. So I'm putting in the beans. That's the other half of the beans. The hominy. Really excited about trying that. The chilies, the green chilies. The rest of the stock. The lime juice. And all of the seasonings. Here's my nutritional yeast. And the rest of the seasonings. And stir that around really, really well. Oh, this just looks so beautiful. All these different colors. Everything incorporated. All right. I'm going to keep that on a medium fire, and this should be ready in about 20 to 30 minutes. There's one ingredient that I missed at the beginning is 1 cup of frozen corn. That goes in at this time as well. So I'm going to put that in. And now stir it around. There we go. We have about 20 to 30 minutes to let this cook. It's been going for about 15 minutes. Look how beautiful. Everything is starting to thicken. think this is going to be a really good chili. And we're going to let that cook for about 15 more minutes. Make sure that you stir periodically because you don't want it to scorch at the bottom. Okay, it has been going for 25 minutes. I've tasted it and it is ready for me to put the cilantro in. We'll just move that around in there. Also adds a little bit more color. Oh, this is such a colorful dish. It smells so good in here. I can't wait to have a bowl. Very nice. I'm going to turn off the fire. And it is done. White bean chili. Enjoy.